Did you know that by 2050, we'll need to feed almost 10 billion people, but farmers are disappearing faster than ever?
Look, since 2017, America has lost over 160,000 farms.
That's an 8% decline in just under a decade.
Farmers face rising costs, labor shortages, extreme weather, and volatile markets. But here's the thing: while farmers are vanishing, a new kind of farmhand is arriving.
No, it's not migrant workers. It's artificial intelligence. And it's quietly transforming agriculture into something that looks more like a sci-fi movie than a cornfield.
Welcome to the AI farming revolution, where drones patrol crops, robots pull weeds, and algorithms predict the weather better than the weatherman. By the end of this video, you'll see exactly how AI is saving agriculture and why it might be the most important technology you've never thought about. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss the next deep dive. CTA 1. Imagine a drone flying over a field of corn, scanning every single plant with multispectral cameras that can see stress before the human eye can.
This is precision agriculture, and it's already happening on millions of acres worldwide.
Companies like Syngenta have launched platforms like CropWise, now managing over 70 million hectares across 30 countries. The AI identifies nutrient deficiencies, pest infestations, and disease outbreaks days or even weeks before a human scout would spot them.
Farmers get alerts on their phones with exact GPS coordinates: go to this precise spot, this plant is sick. No more spraying entire fields.
Instead, treatments are applied down to the square meter.
That means less chemicals, lower costs, and higher yields.
According to the World Economic Forum, agricultural intelligence could boost GDP in low and middle income countries by over $450 billion annually.
That's a 28% increase, just from smarter farming.
But drones are just the beginning. In 2026, autonomous robots are rolling into farms at an accelerating pace. We're talking about spray robots equipped with cameras and sensors that can tell the difference between a weed and a crop plant. They operate at night while farmers sleep, covering fields with pinpoint accuracy.
The Farm Robotics Challenge 2026 brought together the world's brightest minds in agricultural innovation, from university labs to high school robotics teams. And it's not just small bots. Self-driving tractors from John Deere now use GPS and machine learning to plow, plant, and harvest with sub-inch accuracy.
A single farmer can oversee multiple autonomous machines from a tablet, turning what used to require a whole crew into a one-person operation.
These robots don't get tired, they don't call in sick, and they work 24/7. For farmers struggling with labor shortages, this is a game changer. It's not just crops getting the AI treatment. Livestock farming is being transformed too. AI-powered cameras monitor cattle for signs of illness, lameness, or stress before symptoms become visible. Smart collars track movement patterns and feeding behavior, alerting farmers if an animal isn't eating properly. In dairy farming, AI systems analyze milk production data to detect early signs of mastitis or other health issues. Some farms are even using computer vision to monitor calving, so farmers get a notification when a cow is about to give birth. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now on farms in the US, Europe, and Australia.
The result is healthier animals, lower veterinary costs, and higher quality produce.
And it's all driven by machine learning models trained on millions of data points.
CTA 2, if you're finding this fascinating, smash the like button and subscribe for more tech deep dives every week. Here's a stat that might shock you.
Agriculture accounts for 70% of all freshwater use worldwide.
And with climate change causing more frequent droughts, water is becoming the most precious resource on the planet.
Enter AI-driven smart irrigation. Soil sensors combined with weather prediction AI tell farmers exactly when and how much to water. Machine learning models analyze satellite data, local weather patterns, and soil moisture levels to create precision watering schedules. Some systems even predict rainfall days in advance and automatically skip watering cycles. The result? Water savings of 30 to 50% without reducing crop yields. In places like California's Central Valley, where drought is a constant threat, AI irrigation is literally keeping farms alive. And companies are now combining this with carbon tracking so farmers can prove they're using sustainable practices and earn carbon credits. But the revolution doesn't stop at the farm gate. AI is transforming the entire food supply chain from seed to supermarket. Machine learning helps breeders develop new crop varieties that are drought-resistant, disease-resistant, and higher-yielding. In greenhouses, AI controls every variable: temperature, humidity, light, CO2 levels to create perfect growing conditions year-round. And after harvest, AI-powered sorting systems use computer vision to grade fruits and vegetables by size, color, and ripeness at speeds no human can match. Companies like IBM and Google are working on end-to-end food traceability using AI and blockchain, so you can scan a QR code on a tomato and see exactly which farm it came from, when it was picked, and how it traveled to your store. This is the future of food, and it's already here. So there you have it. AI isn't just for chatbots and self-driving cars. It's quietly revolutionizing the oldest industry in human history, farming. From drones that spot sick plants before they wilt, to robots that pull weeds at midnight, to AI that saves water and feeds more people with less land, this technology is building the future of food. And the best part? We're still in the early innings. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the tech shaping our world. Leave a comment: what other industries do you think AI will transform next? I read every comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. CTA 3